So hi guys, I'm up with another video. Now this is about the types of algae. Basically we're gonna talk about three different types of algae: brown algae, green algae, and red algae. Now first of all, let's talk about green algae, which is chlorophyce. Chlorophyce itself says that it has chlorophyll and it is a green algae. Now they can be unicellular, filamentous, or colonial, and they are usually grass green, and the pigments are basically here chlorophyll A and B. They are localized in definite chloroplasts, and the chloroplast may be discoid, plate-like, reticulate, cup-shaped, spiral, ribbon shape, like different shapes, And if we talk about the storage, food storage, so they have like one or more storage bodies. uh, One very important name is pyrenoids. The pyrenoids, they contain protein and starch. Some algae, they store food in the form of oil droplets, and green algae, they have rigid cell wall which is made up of inner layer of cellulose and outer layer of pectose. And if we talk about the number of flagella, so they have 2 to 8 flagella. They are equal and they're apical. The habitat is basically fresh water, brackish water, and salt water. So, yeah, and there's one more point that they reproduce by flagellated zoospores, and the examples if I talk about, they are Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Chara, Spirogyra, Heliotrix. Let's move on to the next one, that is Phyphacine, brown algae. So brown algae, they are mainly in marine habitats. They have variation in size and form. They can be like simple branched filamentous, like ectocarps, to profusely branched, and kelps which may reach a height of 100 meters. They possess chlorophyll A and C. Remember C. They have carotenoids and xanthophylls, and their color can vary from olive green to various shades of brown depending on the xanthophyll pigment. The fucoxanthin is present in them, which gives them the characteristic color. Food is stored in complex carbohydrates, which may be in the form of laminarine or mannitol. And the vegetative cells, they have a cellulosic wall covered by a gelatinous coating of algae. The protoplast contain, in addition to plastids, a centrally located vacuole and nucleus. Now their body is usually differentiated in like a holdfast, stipe, and frond. Now here frond is the leaf-like photosynthetic organ, and holdfast is the part which is like attached to the substratum, and it has a stalk called stipe. Now they have two unequal laterally attached flagella, and they are usually found in fresh water, brackish water, and salt water. And if you talk about the examples, we have Ectocarpus, Dictyota, Laminaria, Sargassum, and Fucus. Let's move on to the next one and the last one, that is Rhodophyceae. It's red algae. Now red algae, they have a predominant red pigment, that is R-phycoerythrin, which gives them the red color. And if they occur in both well lighted as well as the dark areas of the marine bodies. The red thalli of the red algae is mostly multicellular, and their food is stored in the form of Floridian starch, which is very similar to amylopectin and glycogen in structure. Yeah, one more thing, I guess I missed this when I was doing brown algae. The stored food there is laminarin and mannitol, and here it is Floridian starch. Now the red algae, they are the examples if I talk about, it's Polysiphonia and Porphyra, Gracilaria and Gelidium, and the flagella is absent in them mostly. They are non-motile, and they are found in fresh water, brackish water, and salt water. They have chlorophyll A and D. And so, yeah, this is all about today's video. Keep watching. Thank you.